This is Sea Life Party. I'm excited to show you what's inside. What is a party? A party is a course with 30 lessons using different mediums on a topic. So this one is sea life, and we are painting fish, shells, starfish, jellyfish, everything with fish inside, and more, because we do have something that is not a fish. This is a pig with a bird on the back. Never mind. This is my 7th party, so if you know my party classes and you're already convinced and you want to get the surprise every day with a new lesson, don't watch the video. Yes, I know you won't hear that very often on YouTube, but if you want to see exactly what's inside, I'm showing you a full sketchbook tour so you can decide if you like it before joining. What's inside Sea Life Party? So we have a front page, obviously. Some doodles, because I like to begin my sketchbooks with doodles. It's just a warm-up. This one are made with colored pencils and more doodles with crayons. Making starfish and trying to getting to know our sketchbook, the paper, the size, binding, everything. We need to learn a bit before moving on to alcohol markers. I love this one. I think the light is just fun. Oh, I love this one. They are acrylic markers on a black background. And yeah, I think it really gives the glow of jellyfish under the sea in the deep, deep sea. Watercolor for dolphins. Wanted to have an overlapping and colors merging and fusing. Some colored pencils seashells, and we do have a bit of transfer from the other page, but that's okay. It's a sketchbook, it's not a masterpiece. And some fun with tin sardines. I love this one. Acrylic inks, a lot of fluo colors. Love this one. It's really fun. A mixed media with alcohol markers, crayons, oil pastels, colored pencils. I don't know what I didn't use actually in this one. I love this one. A turtle that is floating on top of a marine map. And if you don't have a marine map, I enclose the file so you can print yours. This one is living its best life. Really enjoying the sun, bathing in the water. And yeah, I love this one. It's watercolor and gouache. Some colorful fish, acrylic markers, and I had a great fun doing those ones. Some sharks, because we need to draw them, and they are pretty easy to do once you get the technique for it. A bit of collage with those fish on a texture background. So the background is watercolor and we paint the paper to use for the fish. Watercolor and oil pastel, a bright blue lobster. This is a dip pen and watercolor for this angry crab. You don't want to cross this one. Some gouache fish on a collaged background and a mixed media page with, I can't even remember what's in there, but we have certainly acrylic ink, crayons, and acrylic markers, I think. Some lionfish with acrylic markers. I love this one. Could have been a bit more on the left, but yeah. Some sea kelp with a bit of gold. This is also a mix of different mediums and layering until you get this luscious effect. I love it. Some floating, flying, diving penguin with watercolor and a tiny bit of gouache. I found this one very poetic, actually. Oil pastel fish on pink, because I thought I was lacking a bit of pink. There was only here. So I love to have pink in my drawing and paintings. Some coral reef. This is maybe my favorite one because it's so funny. I have never seen that in person, but when I saw the photo, I knew I had to paint it. So it's watercolor and gouache and colored pencils. Some glowing jellyfish. It's acrylic ink. Some animals deep down in the sea. This one gave me a hard time. I struggled a lot, but I'm happy to finally get something I like. And you can tell by the color of this palette, it's acrylic ink, mostly. Some scribbly fish, just because you don't have to be serious all the time, and you can also just enjoy the process without thinking of the outcome. And turns out I like the outcome. And then I have some empty pages because we do have 3 live painting sessions during the party. The party is open. You can join by the link in description, and I hope to see you there so we can have fun together, grow together, and fill a sketchbook. Thanks for watching.